Hi my dear friends, this is Rayan. You are watching HSA Expert YouTube channel. Today our topic is types of hazards at workplace. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon so that you will get notification when we upload HSA related videos. Thank you. Let us start video now. My dear friends, in this video we will discuss about types of hazards in briefly. Do you know friends, hazards always present in every industry like construction, oil and gas and production industry. Depends on the nature of work. Some hazards are visible and some hazards are hidden. Visible hazards can be immediately eliminated, but hidden hazards must be identified through routine HSE inspections and conducting risk assessment at the workplace. Then only hidden hazards can be identified and can be eliminated. Friends, we will understand first what is hazard. A hazard is anything that has potential to cause harm to a person or damage to a property or environment. I have given small example here for understanding what is hazard. You can see in this image, one person is standing out of water near sea, and inside sea there is a shark. Shark is a hazard. If the person swimming near shark is a risk. Friends, basically there are 7 types of hazards at workplace. Physical hazards, mechanical hazards, chemical hazards, psychological hazards, biological hazards, ergonomical hazards, environmental hazards. Here we will understand each hazard in full detail. Physical hazard. A physical hazard is a factor or circumstance within the environment that can harm the body of a person without necessarily touching it. Friends, for example, slipping due to slippery surface. Tripping hazard due to trailing cables or any material obstructions in the walkway. Fall from height due to working at height, high exposure to sunlight or ultraviolet rays, working in hot weather condition. Extreme temperature, hot and cold. These all will be considered in physical hazard. Mechanical hazards. Mechanical hazards are hazards created by the use of or exposure to either powered or manually operated equipment, machinery and plant. Friends, do you know mechanical injuries are mostly caused either by contact or entanglement with the machinery. Friends, for example, for mechanical hazards, crushing hazard, shearing hazard, cutting or severing hazard, entanglement hazard, drawing in or trapping hazard, impact hazard, stabbing or puncture hazard, friction or abrasion hazard. These all above examples for mechanical hazards. Chemical hazards. A chemical hazard is a type of occupational hazard caused by exposure to chemicals in the workplace. Do you know friends, exposure to chemicals in the workplace can cause acute or long-term effects. Friends, we will see here examples for chemicals. Liquid like cleaning products, paints, acid solvents. Vapors and fumes that come from welding or exposure to solvents. Gases like acetylene, propane, carbon monoxide and helium gases. Flammable materials like gasoline, solvents and explosive chemicals, pesticides. Friends, all these examples for chemical hazards. Psychological hazards. Those that are basically causing stress to a worker or staff in the organization. These kind of hazards trouble an individual very much to extent that his general well-being is affected. Examples for psychological hazards. Work-related stress, bullying or harassment, lone or remote working, violence in the workplace, fatigue, alcohol and drug use. Friends, these all examples considered in psychological hazards. Biological hazards. A biological hazard is a biological substance that poses a threat to the health of living organisms, primarily humans. Friends, biological hazards arise from especially hospitals, laboratories and food industry. You will see here examples for biological hazards. Bacteria, virus, fungi, blood and other body fluids from human, insect bites, allergic reactions, poisonous plants and animals. These are all examples considered in biological hazards. Ergonomical hazards. An ergonomic hazard is the workplace is any condition which has the potential to cause harm to a worker's musculoskeletal system. An ergonomic hazard may be caused by the physical condition of the workplace or the physical demands of a particular job. Friends, do you know when there is a poor fit, a workers may be suffer injuries, sometimes referred to as ergonomic disorders or musculoskeletal disorders. Friends, for example, ergonomic hazards: improperly adjusted workstations and chairs, frequent lifting, poor postures, backward movements, especially if they are repetitive, repeating the same movements over and over, using too much force, especially if it is done frequently, and vibration. All these example considered in ergonomical hazards. Last one is environmental hazard. An environmental hazard is a substance, state or event which has the potential to threaten the surrounding natural environment or adversely affect people's health. We will see here environmental hazards examples: natural disasters such as earthquakes and storms, pollution and dust in the environment, noise, poor lighting, unreasonable temperature. All these examples considered in environmental hazards. Friends, I hope all hazards covered in this video.